first semifinals ngayon sa PBA. Ano yung nararamdaman mo throughout the past 4 games na naglalaro ka for Rain or Shine?
Masaya pero kinakabahan kasi ibang level na to eh. Physical na, then kailangan mautak ka na, kailangan focus ka lang lagi sa game. Ako naman, pag pinasok ako ni coach, kung ano lang yung role ko, kung ano lang yung kaya kong gawin, ibibigay ko lagi yung best ko. And sinusuklihan ko naman yung tiwala ni Coach Cheng tsaka ng mga teammates ko.
So last question, confident pa ba yung team na makukuha nyo yung next 2 games para umabot sa finals?
Oo naman.
Meron ba kayong adjustment na nagawa or at least a game plan para mabawi nyo yung absence ng dalawang key players na yan?
Well, ngayon I think makalaro na si Jericho. Si Raymond yun yung tagang malaking loss sa amin. First kasi siya yung nakakabantay kay Junmar, nakatulong sa bigs. And ngayon, 3 bigs na namin and ang hirap ng rotation. So, yun ang big problem namin. Pero, titiis namin, no? Tatsagain namin and hopefully makontain talaga namin sila. So, kailangan talaga namin mahila yung mga baguhan, mga rookies, no? So, hopefully makasunod sila sa amin, no? And hindi sila mataranta kasi alam naman natin, mas veteran din naman yung kabila, eh. So, labanan na ng puso and talino sa game.
When you guys were down 2-1-2 to Rain or Shine, in Game 5, you really took control, you really took the initiative. Did you feel a sense of urgency with wanting to also really contribute to your team in Game 4?
Well, you always have to have a sense of urgency naman talaga when you play basketball. So it's a playoff, so there's a lot of things that's going to have to be done, and hopefully we've prepared ourselves enough to stay ahead of the curve. We want to win. Pero naman we have to do our part, and we have to trust the process and the position that we in, the quarters that we have to play, and the minutes that we have to go on. So, siyempre naman we want to win, pero that's looking a little bit too far. So we're looking at one possession at a time.
Defending champions ng Philippine Cup, meron ba kayong parang extra kumpiyansa na kahit ano mangyari, may confidence pa rin kayo na kaya nyo bumawi at mag-bounce back tulad ng ginawa nyo nga sa Game 4?
Oo naman, yung confidence namin naman hindi naman nawawala yun eh. Kaya lang, kailangan namin i-sustain kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin before. Kailangan namin dagdagan yun dahil alam namin bawat players, lalo na yung mga nakakalaban namin like Alaska, nag-i-improve ang bawat isa. So kailangan mag-improve din kami.